Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now this is easy to do just on the home screen here. Scroll all the way over to this little icon, then go down and go to My Apps right here. Then scroll on down under this list until we get to the internet browser and select Internet. Now open this up. Go up to the URL, select this, then you can hold down the remote, the little voice icon, and say Facebook. Then go over to the dot. Select this and just type in .com, then press the play button and you'll go to facebook.com now. Sign in with your email address and password. Then on the top of the screen we can go on over to add bookmark, and then we can see the bookmark at any point in time. If we go back to the menu, here's facebook.com, we can go to it. So if we want to go ahead and watch like services or other things on Facebook Watch, you can easily access it through the internet browser. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.